Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Tomo's lost cat in the forge on Roblox, step by step. A lot of players get stuck on this quest because the cat is not marked on the map, so if you don't know where to look, it can take a long time. Let's make it simple. First, you need to talk to Tomo, the NPC who gives you the lost cat quest. Once you accept the quest, you're ready to start searching. Now, here's the important part. Tomo's cat is located inside Ruined Cave. You won't find the cat in early game areas or towns. You must go into Ruined Cave and explore the deeper sections. As you move through Ruined Cave, make sure to check side paths, dark corners, areas near cave walls. The cat is small and easy to miss, so take your time and look carefully. When you find it, you'll see a small cat sitting on the ground. It doesn't attack or move. When you get close, an interaction option will appear. Interact with the cat, and the game will register it as found. If you search the cave and can't find the cat, don't worry. Just leave the server, join a new one, and check Ruined Cave again. Server hopping helps because the cat doesn't always spawn in every server. Once you've found the cat, return to Tomo, turn in the quest, and collect your rewards. To summarize, accept the quest from Tomo, go to Ruined Cave, search the deeper areas and side paths, interact with the cat, return to Tomo to complete the quest. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more Forge guides, Roblox tips, and updates. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.